This
First of all,
conference will now be recorded.
my requirement is I am working with the quote object. I am working with the quote object. I am working with the quote object. Quote is a standard object. Okay. I am working with the quote object. Quote is a standard object. While creating a quote, while creating a quote record, we have to update field in the opportunity object. Okay, in the opportunity object, we have to update a field in the opportunity object. Which field we have to update? In the code we have primary email. Okay. In the opportunity we have the corresponding email field. Okay. In opportunity we have email field. This is my requirement. My requirement is I am working with the code object. I am working with the code object. Okay. While creating a code record, while creating a code record, while creating a code record, the primary in the code we have one field. That field is nothing but primary email. Okay, we have one field that is nothing but primary email. If primary email is not blank, then we have to update a field in the opportunity object. In opportunity we have email field. In opportunity we have email field. This is my requirement. First, we have to understand what is the relationship between opportunity and the code. What is the relationship opportunity and the code? Opportunity is a standard object and code is a standard object. Code here, object manager in the quick find, you have to type it as a opportunity. Yes, opportunity is there. Now go to here, object manager. We have to type it. Code is another standard object. Now the next one is we have to go to the front end. Front end is nothing but app launcher. Go to here. We have to search this opportunity. Okay, opportunities. Go to here, opportunities. Okay. Now we will just go on to create one opportunity record. Go to here. Click on this new button. First we have to understand in the front end. Okay. Test provide all the mandatory details here. In opportunity, these are all mandatory details. Okay. Opportunity is a standard object. Amount is mandatory. Close date is mandatory. Stage is mandatory. Okay. Stage is mandatory. All these are mandatory details. Finally, try to save this one. So we created one opportunity record. Then what about the code? Where we will find the code? Code is a child to opportunity, right? Childs where we will find? Go to related. See here, there are no childs here. Yes, child is there. So related list in the sense means child records only. Child record. So now go to here. Codes are there right here. Codes is there. Click on this new button, new code. Click on this new code. So here I am trying to creating a new code record. While creating a new code record, primary email is not blank. Then we have to update in opportunity email field, in the corresponding opportunity email field. This is my requirement. So we are clear from the front end. First we are clear what is opportunity object, what is quote object, what is the relationship. Everything is clear. How to create opportunity record, how to create a quote record, everything we are clear. Then how we are going to achieve this requirement? That is my next step. How we are going to achieve this requirement? We have to update a field. Which concept is suitable here? We have validation rule is there. So we have to understand the concept. I mean, which concept is suitable for our requirement? Validation rule is there, and the next one is workflow rules are there. And the next one is process builder is there. The flow builder is there. So flow builder not yet discussed, we'll discuss. Okay. Validation rule is there, workflow rules are there, process builders are there, approval process is there, approval process is there. Then here which concept is suitable? Which concept? We will go with the workflow rules. First, we will just go and verify with the workflow rules. Workflow rule. So, child to parent. I mean, child to parent. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Then what is the exceptional case? If there is a master detail relationship, then workflow rule is possible. If there is a master detail relationship, then workflow rule is possible. Okay, first we have to verify whether master detail relationship is there or not between opportunity and quote. Opportunity is a master and quote is a child. First we have to verify. How to verify? Go to quote object, go to here setup, and go to object manager. Here go to quick find. You have to type it as a quote. Enter, click on quote. Now go to fields and relationship section. Go to fields and relationship. Here you have to verify opportunity. Okay, opportunity here you have to verify. Yes, master detail relationship is there between opportunity and quote. Opportunity is a master and quote is a child. Yes, our requirement is while creating a quote record. See like this, right? Our requirement is this is opportunity. In opportunity we have email field. So now in we have another object that is nothing but quote. While creating a quote record, if primary email is not blank, then then we have to update in the corresponding opportunity email field. That is my requirement. So we are updating a field from child to parent. Yes, it is possible. Why it is possible? By using workflow, because of there is a master detail relationship. So first we are clear for our requirement. Workflow rule is suitable. Okay, workflow rule is suitable to our requirement. Okay, suppose in some companies what they will do is they will not use the workflow rules. Okay, why they will not use the workflow rule? In the sense means maybe sometimes the maximum count it is reached. Okay, maximum count it is reached. So total workflow rules per object are like total this many workflow rules we have to write. Okay, maybe they reached some limit like that. So the next step is process builder. Yes, process builder we will also update whenever we are trying to creating a child record. Then we will update in the parent record by using process builder. So workflow rules and process builder is the option here. Workflow rules and process builder is the option here. So whenever we are getting a requirement, first you have to go to the front end. First you have to create a record. Opportunity record you have to create, then quote record you have to create. While creating a quote record, we have to verify, yes, we have to update in the corresponding parent. Now which concept is suitable? Workflow rule is suitable. I mean workflow, here we are going with the field update operation. Workflow rule is suitable. When it is suitable, there should be a child, I mean master detail relationship, then only workflow rule is suitable. Now coming into process builder, yes, process builder is the option. So workflow rule or process builder, then what about the validation rule? Validation rule is nothing but what we are going to restrict. We are, suppose user is trying to saving a record, user is updating a record. While updating a record, he is providing the data in the proper format or not. Data is there or not? If data is there, if data is not there, then we will throw an error message. That is nothing but validation rule. While creating a record or updating a record, we are checking data is there or not. If data is not there, then we are throwing an error message. So that is validation rule. We are validating the data. We are not allowing the user to save the record. Okay, we are not allowing the user to save the record because of you are giving wrong data in that particular record. That is nothing but validation rule. Okay, so then coming on to approval process is nothing but I'm just requesting one user. If he will approve, then only I will continue with my process. I'm requesting one user. Once we have to approve or reject, then only I will go to the next step or I will stop the process. That is nothing but approval process. First we have to remember the concept. So then for our requirement, which concept is suitable? So here, which concept is suitable? Which concept? Workflow rule or process builder? Okay. Any questions on this one? Any questions? Okay. Now coming into here. I'm trying to creating. We are creating a case record. Okay, we are creating a case record. Okay, case is the standard object. We are creating a case record. While creating a case record, if status is escalated, okay, if status is escalated, then while creating a record or updating a record, okay, updating a case record, if case status is escalated, then my requirement is send email alert, and the next one is send email alert to case owner, the next one is update a field in the opportunity object. We have stage field is there, stage 2 closed one, stage 2 prospecting, stage 2 prospect. This is my requirement. I am working with the case record. Case is a standard object. So case is a standard object. I am trying to creating a case record or I am trying to updating a case record. Which one we are trying to updating? Status field. Which one we are trying to updating a status field? While creating a case record, if status is equals to escalated, then what we have to do? We have to send an email alert to case owner. Okay, and if the same condition, what is the another action? We have to update a field in opportunity object. Which field we want to update? Stage field we want to update. That is nothing but stage is nothing but prospect. Here we have to update stage to prospect. So first step, what we have to do? We will just go and verify case object is there or not. Go to here, quick find. You have to type it as a case object. Yes, case object is there. Then what is the next one? In the case object, status field is there. Go to here, fields and relationship sections. You have to verify status here. Status, click on the status. The status escalated value is there or not? Yes, escalated value is there. Now I am trying to creating a case record or updating a case record. We want to update in the opportunity, right? First we have to find what is the relationship from case to opportunity. From case to opportunity, what is the relationship? Go to case and here you have to search it. Opportunity, here you have to search it. See what is the relationship? This is a lookup relationship, that is custom relationship. Custom relationship means we created based on my requirement. We created, otherwise there is no relationship between case and opportunity. Salesforce doesn't provided any standard relationship between case and opportunity. We created. No need to remember. I mean, only for some objects we have to remember. It's not possible to remember for all object. Between case and opportunity there is a standard relationship. In the sense means Salesforce provided the relationship, means no, here it doesn't provide it. We only created. How we will find? Because of opportunity underscore C is there. So here there is a lookup opportunity. See, lookup opportunity. So lookup relationship is there. So finally my requirement is here opportunity object we have. For this opportunity case object, this is a child. I'm trying to creating a case record here. While creating a case record, if status is equals to escalated, I want to send an email alert. This is one requirement. This is one action we want to perform. Then the next one is what? So we want to update in the corresponding opportunity. Yes, in opportunity which field we have to update? In the stage field we have to update. Stage field we have to update. So two actions here we have to perform. Two actions here we have to perform. Between case and opportunity, what kind of relationship is there? Master detail relationship or lookup relationship? Lookup relationship is there. Then which option is suitable for our requirement? Which option is suitable? Workflows are there, workflow is there, process builder is there. Which option is suitable? We'll go with the process builder. Workflow rule is not suitable. Workflow rule is only for first action it is suitable. First action it is suitable. Yes, we are sending an email alert. Then what about the field update? Field update in the parent is when it is possible. If opportunity is a master, but here it is a parent, not master. So we have lookup relationship and master detail relationship. We discussed, right? Opportunity is not a master object. Okay, it's a lookup. What is the difference between master relationship and lookup relationship is nothing but when we delete a parent record, then child record it will automatically delete. Child record it will automatically delete. That is nothing but master detail. Okay, lookup means parent child record it will not delete. So for this case process, I will go with the process builder. We will go with the process builder because of workflow rule. Only one option is possible. Only one option is possible. The second option is not possible. Then we have to go with the process builder here. Then we have to go with the process builder here. Okay. Any questions? Any question? Okay. Now the next one is while creating opportunity record, while creating or updating while creating updating opportunity record, if stage is closed one, then we want to send bell notification to the owner. This is my requirement. We want to send bell notification, or we will call it as a custom notification. Bell notification, or we will call it as a custom notification to the opportunity owner. This is my requirement. I am trying to creating an opportunity record, or I am trying to updating an opportunity record. While updating an opportunity record, if stage is closed one, then we want to send bell notification or custom notification to the opportunity owner. This is my requirement. In workflows, how many actions are there? How many actions are there? Field update is there, right? In workflows, how many actions are there? Workflows, field update is there, email alert is there. Email alert and custom notification both are not same. Email alert and custom notification both are not same. Then the next one is outbound message is there, and the next one is task is there, task creation. Then what about the bell and custom notification? This is a different action. We can achieve by using process builder. Only. Process builder. So where we will get the bell notification in the sense means go to app launcher. In the app launcher here you have to observe one bell icon is there, right? See, this is nothing but bell notification or custom notification. Suppose I am trying to creating one opportunity record. While creating an opportunity record, if stage is equal to closed one, or updating opportunity record, then stage is equal to closed one, then we have to send a custom notification, or we will call it as a bell notification to the opportunity owner. Who is the opportunity owner? That opportunity owner he will see here. Automatically one custom notification, it will come with the red mark. He will receive all the notification whenever he will open in his instance. He will receive all his notification from here. So how we are going to achieve? That is nothing but by using process builder. Go to setup here, and in the quick find. So whenever we will get a requirement, we are not familiar with the bell and custom notification, right? Then what we have to do? We have to go to Google and we have to search it. Okay, go to Google and we have to search it. Go to Google and see. In this case, bell custom notification in Salesforce. Bell custom notification in the Salesforce. we have to go to here and we have to go, I mean, each and every link. So up to now, whatever the topics we are discussed coming into that, mean that topics are enough. Suppose any new topic it will come, then that topic it will based on this whatever we discuss, right, on those topics only. So suppose you heard any new word while getting a requirements, or any case you heard any new word, then go to the Google and you have to search. Go to the Google and you have to search. Okay, so maximum it is based on the old concept only. Maximum it is based on the old concept. Okay, whatever we discuss. So, and here they are achieving by using programming. Okay, here they are achieving by using programming, but we have to go with the send custom notification. See, from a process here, send custom notification from a process. Click on this one. Click on this one and custom notification by using process builder. We will get clear information. We will get clear information. 1 second. Go to one by one. Cells, I mean, here all are from the program is in by using configuration, right? By using process builder, or by using process builder. Only one option is by using process builder. Send custom notification using a process builder. Okay, how we know we are going to achieve custom mail notification by using process builder only, means we are not sure. By using configurations, we have to configuration parts are there, right? Configuration and the coding part, I mean development part. So first we have to verify the, I mean, configuration part. Okay, first we have to verify the configuration part. We have to go to the links one by one. Which link is suitable, which link is suitable, or we have to search the, I mean, however we are, whatever we are searching, right, in different format we have to search. So which concept is suitable for our requirement, we will just go and search in the Google. Okay, so here process builder is suitable for the custom mail notification. Okay. Process builder. Okay, process builder. Okay, now go to here using the process builder. Click on this one. Each and every step they will mention. Okay, each and every, see, go to here. This is trigger, by using trigger. This is by using process builder. Send custom notification using process builder. See, custom notifications are there. Okay, first we have to create some custom notification, we have to create. Okay, then go to here, go to the process builder. You have to create a process. Okay, this is your condition. From the process builder you have to call your custom notification. Each and every information we will get from the Google. Okay, each and every information we will get from the Google, and we have to learn how to implement. Okay, go to our Tyler version or sandbox, we have to practice. Okay, here coming into here, go to process builder. Before that we have to create one custom notifications. Here, go to here, custom notification. Here custom notifications are there, right? We have to create a custom notification here, and the next one is go to process builder. Go to process builder and click on this process builder, and click on this process builder. Click on this new button and paste custom notification, any name here. We already discussed. Record changes, click on the save button, and the next one is add object. Okay, add object. While creating which object? Opportunity object. Opportunity system, it is showing already some process are there. Record is created or edited. Now go to here, add criteria. Add criteria. No criteria I'm trying to selecting. Okay, I'm not adding any condition. Click on the save button. Now action coming into immediate actions here. Apex creating a record, email alerts, quick actions is send custom notification is there. Click on the send custom notification. So just we have to create a notification before this process builder creation. That custom notification here we have to call. Okay, who is the recipient and everything is their owner. So who is the recipient? Merge fields are there. Merge fields are there. We discuss about the merge field, like whenever we are discussing the email alert. Okay, and whenever we are discussing an email alert. So any questions on this one?
Ramaji garu,
Any
this
question?
Salesforce doesn't give this help tab option. Instead of searching the
Help,
Google, you don't have any help standard like that.
help is there. Help is there. Okay, go
But
to
they
here,
don't.
but not inside Salesforce. We have to go to here. Salesforce help is there. This is Salesforce help only. 1 second.
Yeah.
Salesforce help is there. Okay, see here. This is a Salesforce help. Okay, this is, but this is not. I mean, we have to go and search from different. We will get from the different links instead of Salesforce help. Okay, they will use the terminology. I mean, different terminologies they will use. So we will go and verify with the different links. Okay, Salesforce help is there. This is Salesforce help only. Okay,
But not with this practical screenshots. It will be in terminology only, right?
yes, 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 sir. Okay, any other questions? Okay, now coming into interview questions. Okay. Before going interview questions, first we will see the 2 minutes. We will see what is the process builder, what are actions are there. Okay, go to setup, how to navigate to the workflows or process builder, how to navigate, those are metadata, those are metadata. Where we will go to quick file. Okay, navigations we are here, navigations we are clear. Workflows means we have to go to object manager, we have to search. No, we should not do like that. Workflow in the sense means go to the quick find and we have to search. Yes, workflow rules are there. Go to here, workflow rules are there. Okay, workflow rules, and here you have to observe email alerts are there, field updates are there, outbound messages are there, tasks are there. Suppose I want to find email alerts, how many email alerts are there, then directly go to here, email alert, click on the email alert. All these are the email alert. This email alert is related to which workflow rule, which workflow rules here, click on this one. So here there is no workflow rule here, just we created. Now go to here, this email alert is related to which workflow rule. Now go to here, see this is also not related to any workflow rule. Go to here, see this email alert is related to this workflow rule, this workflow rule. What I am trying to say is sometimes we want to find what are the email alerts are there, what are the email alerts are there. So directly go to the email alert, directly go to the email alert. It will show all the email alerts, how many email alerts are there, how many email alerts are there. So this email alert is related to which workflow. This is email alert. This email alert, it will fire when it will fire, whenever this condition is satisfied, whenever this condition is satisfied. So this is nothing but workflow rule. See, generally like this, right? This is a workflow rule, right? This is a workflow rule. For this workflow rule, email alert, this is a email alert. Suppose we want to find directly how many email alerts are there, how many fields update are there, how many outbound messages are there, tasks are there, directly we'll just go and click. Only two tasks are there, two tasks are there. Okay, one is with the opportunity object and another one is account object. How many outbound messages are there? See how many outbound messages are there here. Only 3 outbound messages are there. Okay, one is with the, all are with the account object only, all are with the account object only. Direct that option is there. How many email alert, I want to find the outbound messages. So directly go to the outbound message action and you have to click that particular action, then you will get all the actions. Okay, now go to workflow rule. Now go to workflow rule. Okay, now go to workflow rule and click on this new rule, click on this new rule. So first we have to select an object, first we have to select an object here, and here you have to observe we will provide the rule name. Here there is no logic. I am trying to creating a new workflow rule. While creating a workflow rule, first which object we have to select, then what is your rule name. Okay, while creating a field we will provide a name, right? Like that I am also trying to creating a workflow rule, we have to provide a rule name, but there is no logic, no logic on writing rule name. Now coming into evaluation criteria, there are 3 evaluation criteria are there: created and every time it's edited, created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Okay, before going into this one, we have to understand one point. So in Salesforce, what kind of operations we will perform? What kind of operations we will perform? We will create a record, right? Create a record means we will insert a record, right? That is technically we will call it as a inserting. Okay. Then the next one is once created a record, suppose I want to change. That is nothing but update or edit. So that is nothing but edit a record, right? Edit a record. Edit a record. Then the next one is delete a record, right? Suppose I want to delete. Operation we will call it as a delete only. Delete. Okay. Here edit a record in the sense means we have update operation. And the next one is delete a record in the sense means delete operation. Once we deleted, sometime I want to revert back. That is nothing but undelete operation. That is nothing but undelete operation. Okay. These are the operations. Okay. We are trying to creating a new record. That is technically we will call it as a insert operation. Okay. And we are updating a record. That is nothing but technically update. Delete, undelete operation. For every operation, there are two cases are there. This is important. Okay. Before insert, I mean before record creating, after insert, after record creating. Once record has been created, or before creating a record. Before creating a record, what we will perform? Suppose I am trying to creating a record. Before saving a record, what we will perform? I will perform some validation rules, right? I will perform some validation rules, right? So I will perform some validation rule. Boss, you are trying to creating a record. While creating a record opportunity, you should give a phone number. Otherwise, I will throw an error message. Yes, he provided phone number. Then I will allow him to save a record. Allow him to save a record means before creating a record, means before saving a record, and once record has been saved. Once record has been saved, yes, record is saved. Once saved, I want to send an email alert. Once saved, I want to send an email alert. So for every operation, there should be two cases, before and after. Before and after, we have to remember. Okay, before and after. Okay, then the next one is here, before update and after update. Before update and after update. Here we have before delete and after delete. After delete. Here we have after delete, after and delete. Okay, after and delete. We will discuss whenever we are discussing trigger part. What is this before exactly? What is this after exactly? We'll discuss. So some information here. Okay. So for every operation, there should be two cases. Before saving a record, I want to verify all fields are there or not. If yes, all fields are there, then I will say I'll allow to save a record. Yes, the record saved. Then I want to send an email alert. So that is nothing but after, right? Record is saved. Then I want to perform my operation. Before saving a record, I want to check something. Okay. So for every operation, there should be before and after. Then workflows when it will fire. When it will fire after insert and after update only, not before insert, not before update. And delete operation and delete operation, there is no workflow rules, no validation rules, no process builder. Okay, workflow rules and process builders are insert workflow rules and process builders are insert and update. In insert and update, two cases are there, before insert, before update, but here it will work only after insert and after update. That's why here they are using the terminology created, not creating. Creating while creating a record, but while getting a requirements we will get while creating a record, while updating a record. But when it will fire, once record has been created, once record has been updated, then workflow rules it will fire. Then workflow rules it will fire. Okay, so this is the story behind created. Okay, workflow rules it will fire once record has been created, once record has been updated. There are three evaluation criteria are there. One is created and every time it's edited, created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Okay, now coming into here, rule criteria is there. Rule criteria are met and formula evaluates to true. Criteria are met or formula evaluates to true. We can use anyone. We can use anyone. We can use anyone. Now coming into your formula evaluates to true. We discussed whenever we are discussing validation rule, right? Whenever we are discussing validation rule, we discuss these functions, right? We discuss these functions. Okay, the same functions are available here. Insert field, insert operator, everything is same. Everything is same. For example, coming into here, this requirement, what is the requirement here? Okay, create if status is equal to escalated. If status is equals escalated here, on which object we are working? 1 second. Go to previous account object. Go to your case object. Go to your case object. Go to here case object. Go to case. Click on the next button. So rule name created, and every time it's edited. Suppose you want to achieve formula evaluation to true. Okay, what is here my requirement? Creating a record or updating a record. If status is escalated means which option is suitable here? Third option is suitable. And then this is fine. Suppose the same thing I want to achieve by using formula evaluation to true is nothing but go to here, is peak value, right? Is peak value function, status is there, right? Status value, what is the value? Escalated, right? It's the same thing. We will just go on to use by using function also. We will just go on to use by using function also. If everything is fine, then click on save and next. Click on save and next. Here rule name is nothing but case rule anything. Click on save and next. Click on save and next. Then coming into here, you have to perform your action. Email alert, field update, outbound message, existing action. These are immediate workflow actions only. Suppose you want to perform any time-based time actions, time triggers, particular period of time I want to fire, then you will just go and use add time trigger. This is workflow rules. Generally in interview questions, what type of interview questions they will ask in the sense means the first question what they will ask when what is the difference between workflow rule and process builder? What is the difference between workflow rule and process builder? Okay, so we have to give clear scenario to them. In workflow rule these actions are there, in the process builder these actions are there. Before going into that one, we have to give clear information. So how we have to explain in the sense means, assume that I am working with the opportunity object. While creating a record, opportunity stage is equal to closed one, then I want to send an email alert to opportunity owner. Opportunity owner, I want to send an email alert. Okay, so otherwise I want to send an email alert to account owner. This is my requirement. So I'm working with the opportunity object. While creating an opportunity object, if stage is equals to closed one, then I want to send an email alert to opportunity owner. Otherwise I want to send an email alert to account owner. This is my requirement. For this requirement we can achieve by using workflow rules, but here we have to write two workflow rules. It is not possible with the single workflow rule because of there is no if else conditions. There is no if else condition, but by using process builder we can achieve that. Okay, that is the first difference. Then the second one is, suppose we want to update the field in workflow. Suppose we want to update the field in the same object is possible. Child to parent is possible whenever there is a master detail relationship, and parent to child is not possible. Parent to child is not possible. For example, see here in the same object I want to update. Yes, it is possible. And this is a parent and this is a child. Now I'm trying to creating a record or updating a record. Then I want to update in the parent. Yes, this is possible. When it is possible, if it is a master. Then now coming into here, this is a parent and this is a child. Now I'm trying to creating a parent record or I'm trying to updating a parent record. Then I want to update in the corresponding child record. It is not possible. It is not possible. So then this is in the workflow. The same object is possible. Child to parent is possible. Parent to child is not possible. Now coming into process builder, all these cases are possible. All these cases are possible by using process builder. All these scenarios are possible. That is the second difference. Then the third difference we have to go. Okay, the third difference in workflow rule, four actions are there: email alert, field update, task, outbound message. In process builder We can call another process, Apex class. We can call a custom bell notification, field updates, email alert, ever action is there. Some other actions are there. But in workflow rule, only outbound message is there. In workflow rule, only outbound message is there. Outbound message is there. So any questions on this different? Any questions? Okay.
See, there is a chance they may ask like why you want to use workflow instead of process builder.
Why you are using workflow rule for outbound message is there, right? Outbound
Only that
message.
case, right? Only for outbound
Only
message, right?
outbound message. So initially Salesforce introduced workflow rules. Okay. Initially Salesforce introduced workflow rules. Now presently the extension for the workflow rule is nothing but process builder. So process builder, in process builder, these are the facilities are there. In workflow rules, we have to write only one if condition, only one condition, but in the process builder, we will write multiple if conditions, right? Okay. So there is some limit for the instance, we have to write these many workflow rules, only some count is there. So to increase that, I mean, then we have to go with the process builder. Okay, Shiva?
Apart from outbound messages, there is no other like what you call.
There is no other, no, we don't have any other.
Ramesh, can you go to the previous page?
Yeah.
Salesforce page.
Yes, sir.
See here, rule criteria. Rule criteria. We are making one thing is functional, another thing like you can go to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rule this. Yeah. So criteria are met and formula evaluation to be true.
Hmm.
So all the time we can use this criteria to meet, or like we are forced to use the other option also, like writing the function.
If suppose you will get a requirement, for this requirement criteria are met is suitable, then you have to go and use criteria are met only as our comfort. No one will ask we are using criteria are met or formula evaluation true, but criteria are met is suitable, you are achieving all these things here from here, then you will go with the criteria are met. If criteria are not met is not suitable and we have to use these functions like date function or some other functions we have to use, like contain some other functions we have to use, then we have to go with the formula evaluation true.
So both the cases we are supposed to use, right?
Yeah, any case. So whichever is comfort, suppose you will get
See, criteria are met is like a drop down list. From the drop down list, you can select.
formula evaluation true, we will go to formula, we will just go and write a formula here. Close date is today. Okay, close today date is there, year function is there, right? We will just go and use this one. Shiva got it? Shiva, any question, other question? Hello? Hello, Shiva? Are any other questions? Whenever we will get a requirement, we will go with the criteria are met. If it is not suitable, suppose we want to use any functions, then we will go with the formula evaluation true. Formula evaluation true is nothing but already we discussed with the validation rules, right? The same functions are available here. And function, R function, ever function is same here. Any questions? No. Okay, this is the problem. Why we have to go with the process builder, why we have to go with the workflow. And one more point, why we have to go with the trigger? We have workflow rule is there, process builder is there, then why we have to go with the trigger? Generally I'm asking, in workflow rule and the process builder, we will not perform. See, before insert up, we will discuss whenever we are coming into trigger, we will discuss. But for your information, some people will ask why we have to go with the trigger. We have workflow rule is there, process builder is there. Then what is the first difference we have to say? In workflow rule, process builder, we will perform after insert and after update operation only. But in trigger, we will perform all cases: before insert, before update, after update, delete operation, undelete operation. But in workflow rule, there is no delete. Workflow rule, process builder, there is no delete operation. Just for your information, why we have to go with the trigger? Trigger is nothing but we have to write a program. When we will go with the program, first we have to verify with the workflow rule, process builder. If it is not possible, then we have to go with the trigger. So the first difference is in workflow process builder only after insert, after update case. Okay, there is no before insert, before update, and a delete case is not there. Okay, now coming into here, the second question, what is the evaluation criteria? You are working with the workflow rules. How many evaluation criteria are there? They will ask. How many evaluation criteria are there? Created and every time it's edited, created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Three evaluation criteria are there. And what is the difference between the second one and third one? Second one and third one, what is the difference between second one and this third one? Okay, that is nothing but, so the second one is whenever we are trying to creating a record and whenever we are trying to updating a record. Record means any field. For example, go to this is my record, go to detail page, this is nothing but a record. Record means what? Collection of fields. Collection of fields. Whenever we are trying to updating a field on the record, that time it will fire any field. Which field you are trying to updating? Any field on this particular field only. Created plus updating particular field. Which field? That field here we will mention. In the criteria element, we will mention that particular field. In the criteria element, we will mention that particular field. That is nothing but third condition. Definitely they will ask. Suppose they will ask the workflow rule in the sense means now the next one is here. Now the next one. How many workflow actions are there? How many workflow actions are there? How many workflow actions are there? Email alert is there, field update is there, outbound message is there, task creation is there. 4 actions are there. Okay. Field update, yes, we discussed already. Now coming into outbound message. You work with the outbound message, they will ask. Yes, I work with the outbound message. When you worked and which scenario, why you implemented workflow outbound message, they will ask. We have to explain the scenario. My system is, this is my system, this is my Salesforce. So in between we have one middleware software is there. What is the middleware software? Is nothing but lot of middleware tools are there. In another end we have another system. Any system, it's a Oracle system or SAP system or Java system, it doesn't matter for us. Okay, this is our Salesforce system. Suppose I am trying to creating one case account record. Suppose we are trying to creating one account record, any object, not only account object, any object, whether it is a standard object or custom object, any object. Suppose we are trying to creating one account record or contact record. In our case, suppose we are trying to creating one account record, then I want to send this record information to another system. Why we have to send? That is my business perspective. My client is expecting whatever the data, account data is there, right? That data I also want in the external system. Another system I want. So in between middleware is there. If there is no middleware, then workflow outbound message, it will not work. So when you will use the workflow outbound message, we have to say like this. I am trying to creating new account record. While creating account record, I want to send this account record information to the external system. External system is nothing but Oracle system or Oracle system. So in between we have one middleware is there. That middleware is in my application. We are using cached error. So that's why we are using outbound message, workflow outbound message. For what we need whenever we are trying to creating workflow outbound message, what we need? We need endpoint URL. We need, okay, we need endpoint URL. We want to connect it to this middleware, right? Suppose we want to connect with the Salesforce login.salesforce.com. Like that, from the Salesforce, I want to connect to my middleware. Some URL is there. That URL we will technically call it as endpoint URL. That URL technically we will call it as an endpoint URL. Okay. So this URL is required. This URL is required. We have to say endpoint URL is required. Then how the process?
Uh, well, yeah, Ramesh, your voice is not audible. So after getting the endpoint URL, what about the from the other end?
Other end, either we have no idea because of this is external system, right? After the
Mm-hmm.
endpoint URL, suppose they will ask how they will manage in the middleware, how they will handle in the external system. They will ask. Okay. That we are not familiar because of we don't have access to the middleware and we don't have
Your
access
voice
to
is
the.
kind of coming on and off, and it is going in and out.
Okay, okay, 1 second, please. Now it's fine.
Slow వస్తుందన్న, your voice is very slow actually. I thought it was my problem network, but even others were complaining.
Okay.
కొద్దిగా ఇన్ అండ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది, it is not continuous.
Now it's fine, Shiva.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, because of previously I did not use the headphones. Okay. Now it's fine,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Ajay, now it's fine, Ajay. Because of the external system, we are not familiar. So whatever the middleware is there, whatever the external system is there, right? That we don't have access. Okay, the middleware developers will take, the external system people it will take. They will take care about all those.
So we'll just only publish the records into the middleware with the endpoint URL. That's all.
Endpoint URL. That endpoint URL also they will provide.
Okay, sure. Yeah, thanks.
No, this
Coming in the,
middleware also we need to know like which we have used.
yeah, that middleware name we have to know, right? So in I mean how the business happened, what are the systems are there in our project, that we have to know. So here in my application, we are taking the data from the front end and we are performing operations on that. Then finally we are pushing our data into Oracle system. How we are pushing in the sense means we are using the middleware. We are using the middleware. So for PO generation and all those things, we are using Oracle system. Okay. For front end, we are using the Salesforce only. Okay. Whatever the data we are collecting, that data we are passing into Oracle. How we are passing in the sense means middleware. So in my in our project, suppose we join in the project, what is our
Listen,
business, what are the applications are there in our project, that we should know. That tools name here, middleware, what is middleware we are using, what is the external system name, that we should know. Okay, sure. Any other question?
no, middleware కొన్ని ఉంటది కదా. I mean, what I meant to ask is, hello,
Hello, Shiva. Shiva?
middleware there will be some list. ఇప్పుడు Oracle కి షిఫ్ట్ చేయాలంటే
Yes,
there
yes.
will be some middleware software.
Middle, some
ఏదైనా
of the
లిస్ట్ ఉందా, like you have any list of yeah, that I
no,
want to know.
no need any, some only some tools are there regularly. Informatica they will use as a middleware. Informatica. Okay.
Okay.
Informatica, and the next one is cast iron, and the next one is OSB, Oracle Service Bus. Okay, so you have to use either Informatica or cast iron. Okay, these two is enough. Okay, these two is enough. The names middleware software names, these two is enough. Lot of other middleware software tools are there, no need to find. Like MoolSoft is also they will use. MoolSoft also they will use. Okay, So, and now coming into here, any other questions, please let me know. Okay. Now coming into here, workflows, right, we are discussing. Yeah. What is workflow? Why we have to write workflow rule? What are workflow actions that we discuss? What is process builder also discuss? I mean, both three questions are same. Three questions in the sense when the first question they will ask what is the difference between workflow rule and the process builder. Okay. And now what are the evaluation criteria are there? What are the evaluation criteria are there? Three evaluation criteria. What is the difference between the second one and third one they will ask. Then the next one is workflow field update. Okay, suppose I parent is there, child is there. Now I am trying to creating a child record, then I want to update in the parent record. How we are going to achieve? They will give the scenario directly. They will not task what is the field update in the workflow. Okay, what is the field update in the workflow? So they will give the scenarios like that. They will give the scenarios like that. Suppose we need more scenarios. What type of question they will ask? What I will suggest is go to Google. Okay, go to Google and we have to verify this is the best way. Okay, this is the best way. Okay, workflow workflow interview question in Salesforce. This is the best option. Okay, go to here. You have to open the link one by one. Okay, you have to open the link one by one. Okay, now go to here. They see here these type of questions they will ask. These type of questions. Okay, order of it. Then we will get an idea. Oh, they will ask these type of questions. Okay, they will ask the what is re-evaluation. Ever we will get these type of question. Now go to another link. Go to another link. Okay, go to another link. So each and every link you have to go. Each and every link. Then you will get a complete idea. This is the best option. This is the best option. What is workflow task? Okay, task action they are asking, email alert they are asking, field update they are asking, like that. Suppose they will ask this question, what we will answer to them. So workflow field update, then we have to practice. Okay, we have to practice. So like that you have to go to like these links you have to go to. The first page is there, right? The first page links you have to go to. Maximum we will cover all the scenarios. For example, go to here, you will open this link, how you have to practice, how you have to practice. See, go to here, workflow. What are the different kinds of evaluation criteria are there? Suppose they will ask this question, what we have to answer. There are three types of evaluation criteria are there. Okay, one is created, the second one is created and every time edited, the next one is created and subsequently meet criteria. Yes, we answered. Then the next question, what? Then go to the next question, what is the difference between created here, every time it edited and subsequently meet criteria. So we have to, yes, he will ask this question, then what we have to answer. No need to by heart these answers. Okay, no need to remember all these answers. So we have to use the general terminology. I'm using the general terminologies only, right? In that way we have to explain. Okay, no need to remember all these things. No need to give the same answers to them. Okay, so we have to go to your trailer version and you have to practice and you have to remember the, you have to what we have to say, what kind of answer we have to say, that we have to remember and we have to give. No need to give exact answer. Now coming into here, what is the next question? Suppose they will ask this question, then what we have to answer. In this way you have to practice the workflow rules and process builder. What for these topics, maximum 20 questions are there. Maximum 20 questions you have to practice. Again you have to go and practice. Suppose one requirement, workflow rule, how to create a workflow rule, field update, email alert, outbound message, task. Yes, we are comfort. So suppose he will ask steps, where he will ask what is time, any navigations he will ask. Yes, we are comfort. So maximum 20 questions or 25 questions or more, not more than that. You will open any link, these questions are they will repeat. These questions are they will repeat. Maximum in the Salesforce, suppose you are going an interview, maximum 200 questions. Complete development also 200 questions are there, 200 to 300 maximum. Okay, so you have to put notes. One topic is completed, you practice, then what is your next step is you have to go to the Google and you have to search what are the interview questions are there. Suppose this is the question, what type of answer we have to give, you have to prepare notes. Then that is enough. Okay, that is enough. We will clear each and every. Any questions?
Sir, in terms of certification, what is the major things that they will be covering, sir?
The certification is a different case, Nirmala. Certification is different case. So I mean,
suppose the terminologies, I mean concept is same. Whenever we are coming into the certification, the whatever the question preparation format is, that question preparation format is different. Okay, whenever we are working in the project at least 1 year, then we will understand that question. The format is like that, but that format is like that, but on the concept is same, the format is, the question format is different. See here, they're directly asking you work with the time dependent workflow, or how time dependent workflow it will work whenever we are coming into the interviews, or whenever we are coming into the project like this. But certification in different manner, the preparation of the question is in different manner. So but whenever we are coming into the certification, everyone how they will do with the certification is, they will get the dumps. The maximum 3 or 4 dumps are there. For every certification we will go to the dumps, we will prepare the dumps is nothing but question and answers. Some question and answers we will get. Okay, they will prepare the same question and answers, the same question and answers we will get in the exam and we will clear. Okay, Nirmal? Certification concept is different, and interview preparation and real-time case is completely different.
Okay,
Certification,
sir.
the
Got
question
it.
format is, suppose we want to take the certification blindly, we have to go and to take the dumps, we have to read the dumps, and we have to remember the question and answers. Everyone will take, maximum 95% people will take the same thing. Okay,
So do they ask certification
Because
when you are attending interview?
yeah,
um,
there are two. Yes,
mostly there any interviews, even for any type of interviews, they're asking for a certification. At least minimum, they're expecting the basic admin certifications as well as the basic development certifications, right? First
yeah,
question
here,
they're asking, do you have a certification? Do you have any certifications done, right?
yeah, here two cases are there. Suppose you are in the India market, then PD1 certification they will prefer. So admin certification they will not ask in Indian market. Okay, so minimum PD1 certification. Before lockdown they will not ask any certification. Okay, once lockdown came in this period, definitely they are asking the certification, that is nothing but platform developer one certification, that is related to the development. Okay, that is related to the development. Suppose I have admin certification, they will not prefer more in India. So platform developer certification only they will prefer. Okay, now coming into US market, how you are going, you are going as a admin or you are going as a developer. Then admin in the sense means admin developer. For developer also, admin in the sense means admin certification, admin basic certification and advanced certification. Now coming into the development, basic, I mean PD1 certification or PD2 certification. Suppose you will get minimum 5 certification in US market, then there is more weightage for your resume. Basic admin, advanced admin, service cloud, sales cloud, and the next one is platform developer certification. If you have money, we will go with the PD2 certification. Money in the sense means, suppose you join in the company, they will only give the coupons to you. Okay, they will only give the coupons to you. Okay, no need to pay. Suppose we entered in the organization, they will ask, you have any certification or you want to take any certification? Yes, I want to take the certification, means yes, they will give some coupons. By using that coupon we will take the certification. Okay, so in US market they will prefer more for the certificate, I mean more weightage they will give based on the certifications. They are presently they are expecting 5 certifications. All certification maximum everyone will go by using dumps only. In Indian market we are adding 3 to 5 3 years of experience to our resume, right? Then PD1 certification. If more than that, PD1 and PD2 certification they are asking. That is completely development side on. It's clear, or any confusion?
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thanks. Coming into the certification, don't put more concentration on the certification. So generally by reading dumps, I will provide the dumps. Okay, by reading the dumps, we will clear the certification. We have to put more concentration on the practical things and the interview perspective. Okay. Now coming into your time dependent workflow actions are there, in which criteria workflow time dependent workflows. Okay, and so this question already we discussed, right? How to create time based workflow action queue. Clear in the sense, or Once time based, I mean, once one workflow condition fired, then that record is related to time based, then where is that record? Up to that particular schedule time, where is that record? In the time based queue, right? In the time based queue, suppose we will deactivate that workflow rule, then that record, it will clear from that particular queue or not. So all these questions are there. What are types of email templates? What are types of email template? What is the recursive workflow rule? Go to this one also. Here I mentioned clearly the answer. You have any questions? Okay, and recursive. Suppose two workflow rules are there. Which five workflow rules are there? All are in account object. Which workflow rule it will fire? Which workflow rule it will fire? Okay. Then order of execution is not guaranteed. Workflow rule or process builder, which one it will fire? So this type of question also they will ask. Order of execution not yet discussed. Salesforce order of execution means I am trying to creating a record, then which one it will fire? All these things are there, right? Validation rules are there, workflow rules are there, process builder is there, approve process is there, triggers are there, then some order is there, right? It will not fire continuously. Some, I mean, workflow rules at the same time, process builder at the same time, triggers. It is not like that. Some order they will execute. First, we have to execute this one. Next, once that is completed, if there is no issue, then I have to go with this second concept, then I will go to with this next one. Then some order of execution is there that not yet discussed. We'll discuss that. Okay. This is nothing but workflows and process builder. Tomorrow we'll go with the security concept. Tomorrow we'll go with the security concept. You have any questions? Then let me know.